This is where the coconut milk factory process begins, with carefully selected coconuts grown by nature. Selected coconuts are carefully harvested and loaded for the coconut milk factory process. The journey continues as fresh coconuts arrive at the coconut milk factory. Quality control is the foundation of the coconut milk factory process. Deep cleaning ensures purity at every stage of the coconut milk factory process. Advanced machinery carefully removes the hard shell in the coconut milk factory process.
The coconut milk factory process removes even the finest layers to ensure absolute purity. This pure white coconut meat is the heart of the coconut milk factory process.
Multiple wash stages define the high standards of the coconut milk factory process. Fine grading unlocks the richness of the coconut milk factory process.
Texture control is essential in the coconut milk factory process.
This is where coconut transforms into milk in the coconut milk factory process. High-pressure technology perfects the coconut milk factory process. Sealed transfer systems protect freshness in the coconut milk factory process. Smart separation maximizes quality in the coconut milk factory process.
Filtration refines smoothness in the coconut milk factory process.
Science ensures safety throughout the coconut milk factory process. Controlled heat protects flavor in the coconut milk factory process. Careful cooling stabilizes quality in the coconut milk factory process. Packaging begins under strict supervision in the coconut milk factory process. Precision filling defines excellence in the coconut milk factory process. Careful inspection safeguards quality in the coconut milk factory process.
Brand integrity is protected throughout the coconut milk factory process. Brand identity shines at every step of the coconut milk factory process. Every detail of the brand is perfected in the coconut milk factory process.
Final inspection ensures perfection in the coconut milk factory process. Every carton is coded accurately in the coconut milk factory process.
Automation and human expertise combine in the coconut milk factory process. Order and precision guide the coconut milk factory process.
Every carton is perfectly sealed as part of the coconut milk factory process.
Automation and human precision work together in the coconut milk factory process. Storage preserves freshness for every shipment in the coconut milk factory process. From factory to home, the coconut milk factory process delivers with care and precision. Storage ensures freshness until distribution in the coconut milk factory process. Careful handling prepares every shipment in the coconut milk factory process.
Every order is tracked with precision in the coconut milk factory process. Every shipment begins its journey from the coconut milk factory process with care. The coconut milk factory process delivers a luxury product ready for consumers.
Every image reflects the excellence of the coconut milk factory process.
Luxury presentation highlights the coconut milk factory process for the world. Leadership ensures every step meets standards in the coconut milk factory process. From coconut to carton, every step reflects excellence in the coconut milk factory process.
This is the final masterpiece, premium coconut milk ready for homes, delivered by the coconut factory process.
Experience the full journey of premium coconut milk, from farm to home with the coconut milk factory process. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more luxury factory journeys.